Message to a small boy presenter, fake foundation. Message to a small boy fake foundation that always extract money from people. Let me just tell you one thing. You are too small. This is the end of all fake presenters in Nigeria. If you are registered before or not, I, social media president, is going to tell you that all those fake presenters, small boys that always open orphanage home, that always extract money from people, dissolve from 12th of November. From 12th of November, all those small fake presenters, small boy that always call himself Smally, who is not tall, short in complexion, short in mengbu. All of you, if you know you are a presenter, you have orphanage is closed from on the 12th of November. So social media president says to every one of you, once you cannot raise a paper of appointment, a letter of appointment, and you are not working in overseas, Europe country, anywhere in abroad, your foundation is closed. Whether you want to go to the president, you want to go to anywhere in the world, your foundation will be closed. I am going to send police to check all the foundation in Edo State. The foundation that will remain belongs to our royal father. If you know you are operating foundation in Edo State, I, social media president, is telling you, close. We don't need any fake foundation anymore. Whether you like it or not, you have to see so. If you are here, I, social media president, said that. Go to any length. Let me see your power. Let me see your dignity. Let me see your life. Come and show your power in Nigeria. Not by raking abroad. Not by boasting abroad. I, social media president, will be in Nigeria 1st of November. 1st of November, I will do a live video. Then 12th of November, I will take some military around Edo to close all the foundation in Edo State. If you have foundation, if you cannot prove where you are working, your foundation will be closed. I say so. I am going to tell you that yes, I have done it before and I will do it again. Whether you have certificate will be withdrawn from the government because we don't want fake foundation. Go to anywhere. Go to Abuja. Go to, where are you going to? Go to higher authority. I say so. I am going to form a group in Edo State that will close all the foundation in Edo State, except our royal father that will remain. That is the registered foundation we know. Oba Tokpe, he said. So you can be bragging abroad, but come to Nigeria on the 1st of November. You will see social media president in Ring Road broadcasting, in Oba Palace broadcasting, in anywhere you want to talk about. Then 12th of November, after swearing in, we are going to form vigilante group that will bring all the foundation. Small Baba, I'm going to put you one of the organizations to close all the foundation in Edo State. So I said, go to any length. My name is Prince Edwin Idahosa. If you said, I say so, go ahead. I'm not afraid of anybody. But fake foundation will be closed in Edo State. Just be bragging abroad. But I have said it, and it's final. I am the deputy governor of Edo State. I have the right to do and do a better things for my brothers and sisters who are living abroad. None of you will have stress. 2 women called me about 20 minutes ago that one presenter have been extracting money from them through foundation. I said, don't worry. All those foundations will be closed as far as I, social media president, will be giving appointment letter in Edo State as a deputy governor of Edo State. I am the deputy governor of Edo State. Quote me to anywhere. I stand Bigida. I stand to make Edo great. Any human trafficking, if you know you are a human trafficking, just sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Any trafficking, sorry for yourself. We are going to go to Libya. We are going to go to Dubai. We are going to go to different countries because a lot of people have been given embarrassment to the great Edo, and we are going to stop them one by one. What our people need is progress, success, good life, enjoyment. People coming home with free liberty, not having hands. I said, I'm going to Edo. Maybe armed robber who has attacked him or her, or I am not happy because if I go to Edo State, I am not safe. But let me assure all the abroad brothers and sisters, the moment our government take over from the 12th of November, you all can come to Edo. If anybody embarrass you, please, anybody, man or woman, embarrass you, report to a number that we are going to post to all corner. That person will be got arrested and sent to Oko so that he will regret his life by embarrassing you. We don't need embarrassment. Nothing like Agbeu. I have said it several times. Edo must better. Edo must be the best. And Edo must hear something that everybody will be happy. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is my announcement. Breaking news. Whether you like it or not, you must obey to our rule. You must obey. Yeah, take me the human trafficking and succeed the man where a foundation, have fake people on a foundation. Why me when you are luwai? A moya no really foundation wa. A police I have via ya station. I via station ya abo one am. Even I could see the wa. Ogo one masses. Why you aki foundation you are government foundation. Na ya agba ore mo. E mo name era nemeji. Anybody that move a street on our okay I am Muari foundation. Anybody na give era meje Muari foundation. Mao so ohon where okutahin wa wodo show kutani. 1st of November, I, social media president, will be in Nigeria. I will pass through Lagos to Benin. Through Lagos to Benin. Go and report anything you want to report. Go to president and report me. Go to governors and report me. Go to anywhere. I stand Bugida. Go to any immigration. I, social media president, have said so. Edo will be better. Edo go better. Now we they talk. Now we they make the final judgment. Edo go better. Our Baba, our royal father, must be happy when we become the deputy governor of Edo State. Number 2 citizen of Edo. So whether you like it or not, you must obey. No more Agbeu. I have said this several times. If you want to come up in Agbeu region, I am going to tell you, you don't have rights. But those people that belong to APC, you guys will smile. You will enjoy this government. Abo Stone, you are going to enjoy this government. Shaba, you are going to enjoy this government. No more less, you are going to enjoy this government. Kabaka, my great in-law, you are going to enjoy this government. They destroy your house before. You will build a mansion. You will build another hotel. This is your government. This is your happiness. So everybody have that in mind. But those people that have foundation, we are going to chase them out from Edo State. I say so, whether you like it or not. Because we don't want any jaga, any bata. I am saying it. I am not afraid of nobody. If you know I'm afraid of you, come to Benin and ask me. All the cultists in Edo State, all those number one, you guys will enjoy this government. This is your government. We are going to make peace. We are going to make something greater that never happened in Edo before. I'm going to conduct a meeting with you all so that security will be tight. Security first will be tight in Edo State so that our mothers can go to farm, our father can go to farm, the youth can do something better. That is what we are after, whether you like it or not. But all foundation, have it in mind, close. That is my first announcement. All foundation, close. If you cannot prove your foundation, close. If you are from one foundation, close. Go to anywhere. Go to any length. I'm right there with you. I'm going to work tireless with my deputy governor of Edo State and with the governor of Edo State to make sure that Edo is sweet for my people. I know the kind of suffering that everybody is suffering in Nigeria. And we are going to introduce something great for all the diaspora. Many of you have no job in abroad, but we are going to give you chances for you to have rights in our government.